Hiya, just wanted to show you the combination that I used with the Big Shot with regards to cutting out the Handmade by Hayley dies. So I've got the platform, and I've also got the little thin die adapter. I've got the two plates. Now this isn't my Big Shot machine, so I can't say what the letters are, because there used to be a B and a C plate, I believe. Well, that could be Cuttlebug, can't remember. But anyway, they've got the two plates here. They're similar sort of depth. And what I did was I've got my fabric and I've got 4 layers of fabric here. You can see I've already done one cut with it. So 4 layers of fabric with the die just facing down. I'm being a little bit extravagant with the fabric here because you'll obviously be a bit more frugal at home, and I'm trying to do this one-handed, so this could be interesting. So I've got those, pop those onto the machine like so. Obviously the handle's going to start turning, so let me see if I can do that. I might need to nudge my knee against it as my extra pair of hands there. Let's see if we can get that going through. There we go. And then just turning the handle and it will go through. Now obviously it's a bit imbalanced because I'm just using one hand popping it through, but it is going through. Obviously if I've got my hand on top of the machine it would go a little bit smoother, but being able to do it one-handed without holding the machine down, it has gone through okay. And then if I bring it out the other side, again I've got the two platforms. There you go, you can see the 4 pieces of cut out of that particular fabric. 1 2 3 4. So you've got 4 pieces there, so that's cut out using the smaller triangle, the quarter square triangle, and as I say, that's using it without a metal adapter, so that should be okay with the things that you've got. I'm presuming that if it's the Big Shot Pro or Plus, can't remember what it's called, you should be able to do a similar sort of idea with it, but hopefully that will help. I did bring my metal shim in, and when I did try to put the metal shim in as well, it didn't work, but I will have a little practice off camera to see how it gets up, how I get on if I take the thin adapter out and put the metal shim in. There wasn't enough for the metal shim as well as everything else that I've used here, so hopefully by taking out that thinner piece, then I should be okay cutting directly into the metal, and that does mean that you don't warp your plates as much. So let me give that a go and I'll report back in a mo.